Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chemistry with DB. So this is my first video for GCSE Chemistry students. So I have taken a very basic topic which is the structure of atoms. Now we know that the subatomic particles which are present in an atom are protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus and electrons roam around in shells around the nucleus. The atomic mass is made up of protons and neutrons, that is, particles present in the nucleus, and atomic number is the number of protons or the number of electrons. Protons have a charge of 1 positive, whereas electrons have a charge of 1 negative, and neutrons are neutral particles. Now let's see what do we see when we look at, say for example, argon element 4018. The bigger number 40 represents the atomic mass, which is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, which is 40 here. And the atomic number is the smaller number out of the two, which is the number of protons or the number of electrons, so that's 18. So if we need to figure out how many protons, electrons and neutrons are present in argon, then we'll look at, for protons, we'll look at the atomic number, which is 18. Electrons will also be found out from the atomic number, which is 18. And the number of neutrons can be found out by doing 40 minus 18, which is 22. So 22 neutrons are present. Let's take another example. For example, fluorine 19 and 9. Now atomic mass here is 19. This is 9 is the atomic number. So therefore the number of protons will be 9. Number of electrons would also be 9. However, the number of neutrons will be 19 minus 9, which is 10. So that brings us to the conclusion that atoms consist of a central nucleus which contains protons and neutrons. Nucleus is very small compared to the total size of the whole atom. So this is the nucleus, which you can see it's like a dot in the center of the atom, and these are the orbits which contain the electrons. So nucleus is surrounded by the orbits, electrons and the energy levels, which are also called orbits. Atoms don't have any overall electric charge because the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Electrons are arranged in energy levels, which are called orbits. Protons relative mass is 1 and relative charge is 1 plus. Neutrons relative mass is 1 and relative charge is 0 because they are neutral. Electrons don't have a mass because they are negligibly lighter compared to protons and neutrons, and relative charge is 1 minus. On the other hand, now we see atomic number is the number of protons or the number of electrons, and mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So if we want to find out the number of proton, neutron and electrons from atomic number and atomic mass, then we have to look at the atomic number for protons, atomic number for electrons as well, and number of neutrons would be atomic mass minus the atomic number. Now let's see this in action. 2311 sodium, so atomic number is 11, atomic mass is 23, so number of protons would be 11, number of electrons would be 11, and number of neutrons would be 23 minus 11, which is 12. Now lithium, atomic number is given as 3 and atomic mass is 7. So therefore we can write as a 7 and 3. So number of protons would be 3, number of electrons would be 3, and number of the neutrons would be 7 minus 3, which is 4. Now if we look at uranium 23592, so atomic mass is 235, atomic number is 92, so the number of protons would be 92, number of electrons would be 92 as well, and the number of neutrons would be 235 minus 92, which is equal to 143. Uranium 238 92. So 238 is the mass, 92 is the atomic number, number of protons are 92, number of electrons 92, and the number of neutrons here is going to be 238 minus 92, so that is 146. So I hope this is clear now, and I hope you like this video, and if you like this, then please like, share and subscribe. In my next video I'll give you the structure, how do you figure out the structure of different types of ions. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Bye, take care.